So good evening everybody. I am Jayashree from SNS College of Technology. I am going to take the monosyllable multivibrators under this unit 4. Okay. So this was the monostable multivibrator. The monosyllable mode of 555 timer is also known as one-shot mode. When we apply a logic low to the trigger of the timer by closing the switch, the output becomes logic high and holds therefore specific time duration, which is decided by the values of externally connected resistor and the capacitor. So this is what this basic block diagram of this timer monosyllable multivibrator. Here this is what the block diagram of this 555 timer. And we already seen that in 555 timer, the 1 is connected to ground pin, right? And 2 is the trigger pin, and 6 is nothing but the threshold pin. 7th is nothing but we can take the output discharge, and 8th pin is connected to VCC, and 4th pin is reset, and 5th pin is connected to control voltage, and 3rd pin is connected to output. And here the same block diagram which is applicable to this monosyllable multivibrator also, but here we are giving input as the inverted spike waveform, right? But we can get the output as the square waveform. That is the main objective of this monosyllable multivibrator. It is also known as quasi-stable state. Trigger pin 2 is trigger pin 2. By connecting it to ground, two things happens. First, lower comparator becomes high and the flip-flop becomes set, and we can get the high output at the pin 3. And the second thing is nothing but transistor Q1 becomes off and timing capacitor C1 gets disconnected from the ground and start charging through the resistor. Okay. Next one is what? Now we can capacitor start charging and reaches the voltage slightly greater than 2/3 of the voltage, right? Threshold pin 6 becomes greater than the voltage at inverting 2/3 of the voltage upper comparator against first initially next to the quasi-stable state, upper comparator becomes high. Okay, and flip-flop get resets. Initially quasi-stable state, the upper comparator becomes high and the flip-flop gets sets, whereas here upper comparator becomes high and the flip-flop get resets. If the upper comparator is low, the flip-flop get sets. The output of the chip at the pin 3 becomes low. And secondly, the transistor Q2 becomes on and the capacitor starts discharging the ground through the discharge pin 7. Okay. Here is a practical demonstration of monosyllable mode of 555 timer IC, where we can connect the LED to the output of this 555 timer ICs. This LED will glow when we press push button and switch automatically off after t seconds. This is what this quasi state and next to quasi states. Okay, I will repeat the monosyllable multivibrator again. It is also known as one-shot mode. One-shot multivibrator. When we apply a logic low to the trigger pin by closing the switch, the output becomes logic high and holds for specific time duration, which is decided by the values of externally connected resistor and the capacitor. Okay. Next one is what? Quasi state. Trigger pin 2 by connecting it to ground, two things happen. First is what? Lower comparator becomes high and the flip-flop gets set when we get high output at the pin 3. And second thing is what? Transistor Q1 becomes off and timing capacitor C1 gets disconnected from the ground and start charging through the resistor. This is what this resistor R1 and this is what the capacitor, and the capacitor starts charging at the time of transistor Q1 become on. The capacitor become disconnected when Q1 becomes off. This is what this circuit diagram represents. Okay. Next one is what? When the capacitor starts charging and reaches to the voltage slightly greater than 2/3 of the voltage and the threshold pin 6 becomes high. Okay, this is what the threshold pin 6 becomes high. After that, what it will do is greater than the voltage at the inverting and 2/3 of the upper comparator. Okay, and next to the quasi states, first upper comparator becomes high and flip-flop get resets. And out of the chip at the pin 3 becomes low. Secondly, the transistor Q2 becomes on and the capacitor starts discharging through the ground through the discharge pin 7. So that's all about this monosyllable multivibrator. It's also known as one-shot multivibrator. The same circuit we can given as a 555 timer, but instead of using that SR flip-flop in the top and bottom, we have reversing this here, and also here the more pins are added. This is what the monosyllable multi-vibrator.